Hello, my name is Renato Rocha, and I am from Brazil. I was born in Goiás, that's a state in the middle of the country, but now I'm living in Florianopolis, that is one of the most beautiful capital of the southern of my country. I have bachelor and master degrees in philosophy, and now I am a PhD student at Federal University of Florianopolis, Santa Catarina, where I research themes related to logic, philosophy of language, and metaphysics. I'm married with a beautiful woman, and we yet have no children. Beyond studying philosophy, I enjoy sports and running. I'm actually training for my second half marathon. That's it. My homemade cell phone video introduction. I hope you like it.